Okay, oh, wait. There we go. Is that better? I really hate starting and stopping streams. I feel bad for sending out, all those alerts to people. 'Cause it's registering green. I'm seeing some response. Think we're good? Thanks for letting me know. I would have went the whole clash or the whole stream without having any idea. Um, so that actually made no sense. I was just kind of staring out. What I was doing, let me go ahead and throw this up here. Okay, oh, wait. There we go. Oh, and now I'm hearing it in my... Sweet. Thank you. Okay. Actually, let me just close that out. I don't need myself and myself. Let's see. Okay. Anywho, what I was doing is I was checking out the replace method. What I was doing is I was trying to find the second instance, and that's all I was really struggling with that one. I mean, let's see, how did that... Of course, share the code. Actually, let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, so here's the replace. That. S plus C. So this is like a conditional placed as a... Huh, yeah, I started hearing my my voice coming out of the speakers because I accidentally had a tab. I don't know if you're supposed to have a tab with yourself open or not. I don't know if that's a thing. Might bog it down, but anyways. Okay. Well, let's see. Oh yeah. Well, let's go ahead and do another. Okay, and there we go. Yeah, I've done a whole stream like that before. Nice, got carpet in here. Oh, we can go ahead and invite other. Oh, we got a full one. Oh, sorry. But yeah, if we can figure out getting everyone together, we could do a private clash. But I don't know. That might be better with like 10 people. Alright, the king wants to share his wealth with a certain number of people. So he's provided a certain amount of gold coins, knowing that each person who receives gold coins wants twice as much as the person. Oh, this is like that grain of rice, that grain of rice problem, where it's like every day they get another. Okay. And that the first person receives only one gold coin. Has the king provided enough? Okay, so now what do we need? A number of people, the number of coins. So it can be something like 4 num in range 1 comma n plus 1 to be inclusive. Like g equals 0 for given. Oh no, wait. It might be off by like a little bit because we're starting at 1, but we want to say the given, it's always going to be 1. Yeah, I think we should keep it at 1. Let's see. And it doubles. So it's times equal to. So we can do the single space. G times equals 2. And then if G less than A, the number of gold coins. Okay. If G less than or equal to A, because it needs to be sufficient. Print. What are we printing? True. With some quotations. Or maybe a boolean would work. I don't know. I usually see it lowercase t. So, alright. Let's see. Else false. Just to be safe, we'll go ahead and assume it's a string. Oh no. Nuke the whole code. Alright, okay, that should, no? No, it worked for one, probably the corner case. So, what I'm thinking, so we definitely don't want to have 0 involved if we're doing a times equal. So, what's this test case? Let's print out, let's print N, print A. What are we working with here? So we've got 3 and 15. So we've got 3 people with 15 coins. First person, let's actually write out a little bit. So for day 1, we get 1 coin. For day 2, or for 2 people, we get 2 coins. For 3, we get 4. For 4, we get 8. For 8, we get 16. And wait, sorry. 5, we get 16. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's, yeah, it's like an exponential increase. So it's like, it's not squared. It's like 2x. Wait, is that? No. Sorry, I'm thinking or curves. 2x would just be a straight line. Or I mean a diagonal, but so you're doubling. You could do plus equals g. I mean, but I think that's the same. Oh, and then we gotta comment these out. Oh, whoops. There we go. I love how comments always like, slash. Then it's, when it's really like a pound sign or something. Well, no, let's go ahead and, I'm not calculating it correctly. Let's see what they're looking at in this one. So 120 people with 12,000 coins. I mean, now that we're doing it plus equal, we probably could get away with doing this. Oh, yeah, and then although I don't think that's right though, because I think it still needs to. Oh, now we're getting a false on that. False on all of them. So plus equals g. No, I think it does need to be that, because we're starting with one person, and it needs to be times equal because it's doubling. So for first iteration, we just have 1. So we need to. And that, I think that's where I'm messing up, because we're starting at 1, so we're automatically, our first one is actually 2 when we need it to be 1. And so we're doubling too fast. But if we do times equals g, let's see. Why is it not coming? It's just a bit of maths. Oh, is that 2 to the x? So if x is 1, 2, or no. Oh. I think I got it. That's what I was confused about. G equals G to the num plus equals. Okay, let's try that. Oh, we wanted to start at 0, I think, now. Because, one, the initial one is 2 to the 0. That's why it looked so familiar. This is binary, isn't it? Like, every time it doubles, it's by a factor of 2. So, therefore, the initial one at 0, so the range 0, num, G, oh, this is 2. Okay, wait. Oh, no. Come on now. I mean, and then, okay, so it's getting... Let me make sure. 1 plus 2 plus 4 equals 7. Okay. So, right, we are thinking about it the same way. 4 gold coins, 8. 4 people would be 8, and then 5 would be 16. So, but I'm thinking there's an easier way to do this than doing an exponential. So, if we're doing... Because 2... Oh... No. That might be better. Okay. That might time out. No, it has to be 0 because 1 person, 1 gold coin. That's 2 to the 0. So we got 1. Plus equals... Wait a minute. Is it just equals? Nope, still. I was also thinking, that just describes how that is. Oh, we don't need this, maybe? Let's see. G equals just 2 to the n. Like, why, we might not even have to make it that complicated. No, it's still... I mean, that still works, but why is this... Let's see the test cases. Oh, 0. What? Or... Wait. A equals 0. It's kind of hard coding, but, they're kind of putting me against the wall. Like, yeah. Yeah, and they throw some curveballs on this. And that's why I'm, hesitant to do hard coding like this. Like, saying, okay, well, if there's no people, then automatically we're good. But, and I can see it being okay in this situation, but at the same time, there could be other tests where... if it checks, or if you're trying to actually assign things in your conditionals, I think there's some kind of logic behind the scenes that they have. Let's see, what are these even? We're looking at 120 and jeez. So we got 120 people. That would be... Let's look at the other tests. So, well, 12, we could actually calculate that by hand real quick. So we're already at 5, 6, well, that'd be kind of... What is 2 to the 12? You know what? Print 2 to the 12. 4,096, okay. I thought that looked... Oh, gotcha. So, if not, we gotta print... if the king has enough gold coins, otherwise the number of people who receive the coins they asked for. Oh, crud. So maybe we do have to... Okay, so this would be like a while... Oh, crud, we only got like 3 minutes. Uh, so while A bigger than G. G equals 2 to the n minus equals 1. Print G. Oh, and we also got to take that out too. Thinking that should work. It makes sense in my head. Nope. Okay. While A is greater than G. Oh. Wrong way. Is that it? Can it be that simple? No. Okay, so found 2048. Wait, it's expecting 11. Oh, no, not G, N. There we go. There it is. Okay. Alright, this is the shortest, so I was thinking way too hard on that one. Sequences. I often get tripped up on sequences. I was not really strong in math. I mean, I made it to Calc 2. The inputs, we can take these spaces out. I mean, and we can also do the 1. Oh my gosh. It's like I'm racing the clock. Alright. Ah. I broke it. Okay, 20 seconds. Oh, no, what? Broke it. Dang it. No. Print true. Ah, well. Shucks. That's okay. Can't win them all. Let's see some other ones. Yeah, 2 to the n. Let's send it to B. Okay. Log 2. Ooh, that looks... Nah, I'm good. Yeah, Garvin, you and me both. It's all good. Of course, you're rocking the 54 characters, so there's that. But, alright. Let's go again. Okay. Oh, dang. I wonder if I should have let that clash. Apologies. I mean, we got 6 people. Well, I don't know. So, shortest mode. Let's go ahead and go through this one. So, your goal is to determine if a given triangle contains an obtuse angle. Okay. Wait. We just got to check if any of those values is greater than 90, right? So, if number greater than 90, v equals false, v equals true, if v, print, see, here we go, lowercase true, lowercase false, so it's definitely not a boolean, or, yeah, because when you print a boolean, it's the uppercase, pretty sure. Also, single space, and I think this is what screwed me up in that last one. Oh, wait. It's I got that backwards. Need to as false. Then change it to true. There we go. Okay. Got some Christmas colors going on here. No? Nope. And now, oh wait. Else print answer. Ah, yes. Going too fast. Let's see. No, it's getting all excited. Okay, now this is where I usually don't. Oh, never mind. We gotta calculate. Ooh. Of course that's not gonna make sense. So we've got the coordinates for the points of the triangle. I should have read the thing first. Okay. So that means geez, I haven't done geometry in so long. How do you find angle from side lengths triangle? Or no, just find angle from points. We'll do that in triangle. Because, I mean, I'm already thinking we're going to need to calculate the lengths of the sides. And then find angles in triangle given points. Calculus 3. Well, no wonder I don't know what it is. Yeah, it's sine something, arc sine. Okay. Now let's throw Python in there and see what kind of math libraries we can use. Calculate angle of triangle, Python. From Stack Overflow, and we have trig functions will convert an angle into a length of a certain leg of a certain triangle. Okay, so that's how to convert to the length. Now how do we convert to an angle? Okay, we got 11 minutes. Let's see. I find out the angle of the triangle following. I know it should be 90 degrees, however, I don't know how to actually... Ah, and he's got side lengths. Well, we could calculate the side length. Well, but then we gotta do... What was that, like the absolute value of... I know I was just doing this with the Pythagorean triangles yesterday or the day before. Let's see. No, I said points. Let's find one with points. I want to be lazy. The law of cosines relates the lengths of the sides of the triangle to the... Okay. Two angles. I mean, we could calculate the size of 3 points, so... Sides equals list, then... Now we're getting into radians and tangent and ACOS, degrees of ACOS, A times A. Okay, so that's looking like Pythagoreans. You got A squared plus B squared minus C squared divided by 2 times A times B. I do remember something about doubling the area of a triangle makes a square. Or something like that. Huh. I might strike out on this. Nobody else has gotten it either, so I don't feel too bad, but let's see. Um, Coordinates of 3 points. So, oof. C, too. I think I was clashing with... Huh. C's rough. I haven't done a lot of C. Let's see. Try a different search. Because... it'd help if I spelled angle right. Find the angel. Calculate angle of triangle. Python. There we go. No. Is this the same one I was just looking at? You need to use the law of cosines. Yeah, that one has sides from points. Let's see. Midpoint. A squared plus B squared minus C squared over 2AB. Oh, that actually is starting to sound familiar. Cosine formula or cosine... Okay, yeah, I have used that. Long to get out of it, I need to calculate the sides, the side lengths. So ABC, we'll just have a list of that, and then the number, it's going to be an input. The coordinates of the 3 points of a triangle. Ew. They only do it one per line. So we've got 0, 0, 1, 0. Okay, so that's going to be annoying. Crap, we have 6 minutes. P. Jeez. P plus equals string. No. We'll just change that to N. Because we're getting shortest anyway. So, if length P equals 2, S dot append P, P equals empty string. There we go. Alright, so now we have the points. Now we can calculate the sides. Oh, let's see. So, and this is all garbage. We don't need that. Although we do need, I mean, let's just comment it out for now. So we got that. We need to get out of the for loop because now we have all the points. Now we need to calculate the sides or the angles for P in P and S. The angle equal A equals. Oh wow. So I'm getting a lot of stuff going on. Solution provided with the original contribution does a kind of obscure way of calculating the squares of each length, and then just see if the sum of the smaller two is less than the largest. Basically, Pythagorean theorem to find the side lengths, but don't bother to take the square root. Let's see if I can piece that together. Okay, so if the sum of the two smaller sides is still less than the largest, meaning because that would have to be an obtuse. I'm thinking about a triangle as you like squish it down. So we still got to do side lengths, but at least with that, that's the way to, yeah, not bothering to take the square root. So let's ignore the angles for now. We could do uh, points. Sorry, I'm not going for lengths just yet. So points, I want to know what I'm actually doing. So we're getting a list of points, we're putting them in there. So now we're going to calculate the sides, and then if we got A, B, C, keep it simple like that, and then A equals, so we got to do the points. I'm so tired of trig. So the side lengths, then if a squared plus b squared is less than c squared, it's obtuse. Yeah, so a would be points 0, 0, oh wait, no. It's x, y. For p in points. For every point in point, that side is going to be we're going to need to do an index. I2 equals 0. So for the point index, and then, so we'll cycle through that. Yeah, I'm trying to figure out the lengths now. So we got, I'm just trying to pull the x coordinates and the y coordinates. So we have the first point and the first x minus points. Yeah, I might not get this one either. That's alright. And then we need to square all that. Wait. Oh, 20 seconds. Nah. But eventually, yeah. So I'd get the side lengths and then try that. I won't even get to that. Well, did I get some... I passed a couple of test cases. Alright. Trigonometry and geometry are not my favorites. 50%. Alright, let's see. JavaScript. Okay. Yeah. Let's look at some C. I haven't seen C in a long time. Yeah, it's... Looks similar to the JavaScript. You got all that, and then you're scanning it in to each one. Hypotenuse. Wow. That's some skills. Alright. So, let's see. What's activities? Oh, there's no event stuff. Alright, let's try another one. There we go. Oh, send. Wow. Alright, so fastest. Let's see. Can you make it little? Refers to the order of the byte. What? Refers to the order of the bytes. Can be either big or small, with the adjectives referring to which value is stored first. Oh, Indians. Oh, I thought it was a different thing. I've heard that before. Okay, so big Indians means the most significant value is stored first, whereas little Indians refers to when the least significant value is stored first. A 10-byte long string S representing a hexadecimal number, space-separated pairs of numbers. You will only be given decimal digits in the hex representation. All hex numbers are 8 characters long, excluding the... Okay. Hexed equals hex starting at... no. 2. And then... And then... for char in hexed... Return string equals empty. There we go. And target equals that. So, target plus equals char if ling target is 2, turn string plus equals target, oops, target equals empty string, print return string. Where are we at? No, oh. Return string plus equals space. And slice that last space off. Oops. Ooh, it's backwards. Okay, so... Alright, index equals 0. No, that would be going backwards. Okay. Return list. There we go. Oops. Return list dot append t. That we don't need. Oh. Okay. Trying to think of how. Oh, shoot. Everybody's already finishing up. Oh, no, about half. Alright, let's see. So, we need to print. Let's actually take that out. String plus equals string of return list at I minus 1. Oh wait, yeah, still minus 1 on this because Now I'm going to also format return string the lazy way and just have it add that. Oh, wait, what's this? 2x hex char. Bada bing, there we go. Huh. So what I was trying to think of is I was thinking you could reverse it, like if you do the step -1 only with a list printing, that would be a way to do it, but I couldn't really wrap my head around it, or I didn't want to do a lookup again. I figured that might work, so let's see. Did anyone else do it an easier way? Reversed. There you go, that's a thing. So let's see. Same thing, it made a list of the things, added x plus equals a. Ooh, I didn't know you could do it that way. I usually use append, so maybe that's better. Plus equals square bracket that. That's cool. Okay, well. I mean, I'm not a big fan of the shortest anyway, but that is cool. Like, eventually I'm going to get to that. Right now I'm at, like, completion. Can I get 100%? Wait, okay. Slicing. That's nifty. I like that. That's a way to do it. Cool. Alright, well. Let's see what I'm going about an hour. Yeah, let's do a few more. I do want to do some web dev. The nuances. Yeah, that's... Oh. Sorry, I get to... I don't think it matters. Does anyone use the link to, like, look at it after? I mean, if it's full, I don't know if you can join it. Like, I mean, if I don't get it in time, is there any point to posting the link, I guess I should say. Oh, fastest mode. Let's see. Help create a VO compiler. I hate making compilers. For a new programming language. The program that you write in your language of choice will make Mad Hatter code and parse it as something that can be interpreted by a JavaScript compiler. Okay. The Mad Hatter language is the same as JavaScript with the following changes. Instead of... Oh, okay, so we need a dictionary that will split... Oh my gosh. You see? Okay. Let's do a return string equals that. Now I'm just doing it in shortest mode. Let's see. Okay, so the line. Let's look at what the... Okay. So we need a dictionary. Oh gosh. Mad Hatter equals... Okay. Maybe equals is equal to... Yeah, we'll just go ahead. Use double quotes with everything. We need probably equals to be an absolute equal. 1, 2, 3. And then we got listen up for var. Okay. And then... Oh, now we're getting weird with it, huh? So subtract gets to plus. Plus is subtract, okay. What a fun way to drive someone insane. Okay. Star divided. At least you're doing that. I could see it being even more cruel if you're mixing plus minus with the... So, like, plus would be multiply, or anyways. I digress. Let's get this done. So, and then put that to there. Space gets space. I mean, we could also get around that by checking C. Alright, now, return string, or no, it shouldn't be char, it should be item. So like we're getting it as this, so we should split that as a list, and then UC, whoops, I forgot the very last one, possibly the most important. With a question mark that did not copy over, and then that gets a semicolon. Oh, so everything's gonna end like that. Awesome. Everything, yeah, because you see? You see? Okay, so if, else, okay, items equals, oh, wait a minute, we're gonna need to do that, oops, in the for loop, which means crud. Let's go ahead and do that. And I know that's kind of bad practice, declaring variables further down in the code. Anyways, items equals line dot split for item in items return string plus equals no, if item in Mad Hatter dictionary Mad Hatter dictionary of item else return string plus equals item. Return string plus equals a space, print return string, chop that last one off. Okay, how close are we? Return string, we need to reinitialize it to, or I don't know what that is, we need to change it back to 0, or empty. Awesome. Okay. And does anyone know, how do you see, like, do you have to do it while you're clashing? Like, open it in a new tab, or? Because, like, there's no real, you can't even see the name of the clash anywhere. Anyways, I thought that was pretty interesting. That was a fun one. Normally I don't like compiler stuff because, I mean, it's just so much nitpicking, but... Oh. Alright. Shall we go again? Okay. Sorry, I might get annoying sometimes for people that follow me. Man, sorry everybody. I mean, that's cool. We got a lot of people clashing today. No, definitely don't want to complain about that. Let's see. altitude equals 0 for item in C dot split. No, I don't think. Let's do C list equals C dot split. C list. Okay, item equals. What else we got going on here? Leap. Is that the other one? I don't know what leap does. Let's do rise, actually, plus equals 2. Fall, rise. We got 4 minus 3. No, we got 6 minus 3. Then we have sink. Okay. Sink, fall, reset, sink. Okay, so this one I think is just -1 because reset, I think resets it. So we have reset, fall, leap, sink, rise. Okay, so this is the easiest one. We got rise, so that's 2. So we're incrementing it by 2 if we rise. And if we fall, so we got 6. Well, and we know the test cases. Huh. The one that I'm having a problem with. Let's see. So, what do we get? We get 3? Expected 1. Okay. So, I think leap. Oh, I don't have leap. Okay. Alt minus equals 2. I think is how that's going. Else if. Helps if I spell it right or get the right instance. There we go. Reverse mode. No. Wait. Expected 0. Oh, and then. Okay. Sync is -1. We gotta keep that. Rise is +2. We know that. So leap. Oh my gosh. There's so many of them. Thought I was doing good. Okay, we got those. So we're just failing 4. So we reset, then we fall. Do we know what fall is? Yeah, because we're using it here. So if we got fall wrong, then we have leap wrong too. I think leap is just... Sync. Do we use sync anywhere? Reset sync. So sync has to be -1. So... Do we know that fall is what fall is? Fall minus equals 1. So we got 6 So fall and leap might be wrong. So 6. Also want to see. There's no link for. Also, apologies, I haven't been paying attention to these chats. Doesn't look like anyone's using them. So, position of the robot. Oh, cool. So, we know we're only dealing with fall, leap, sink, and rise. We know for a fact rises rise. So that's good. Let's actually throw a... I know that it's there. Alright, and then... just want to eliminate all my options because I think fall and leap might both be wrong. Oh. This confirms it. And this also confirms that reset is reset. Because... so, we know that through 1 and 3 that these two are correct. They have to be. I hope they have to be. Reset, fall, leap, sink, rise. All of the ones that I don't have confirmed. Let's see. Reset, sink, that is confirmed. So yeah, leap and fall are the only two that... okay, so how much can I change the 2 and 1 to make 3 of them? Either way, we have 6. So fall and leap both have to subtract 1. See, that makes sense. Excuse me, because we're trying to take away 5. So what combination of 5? No, it has to be, because 3 plus 2 equals 5, and we're trying to get 5. Unless it's, unless fall is positive, and which other ones do we actually use fall in? The one that we're having a problem with. So fall could be like plus 3, and sink could be like minus 10. I don't know. Okay, so fall, to get 5. So 3x plus 1y equals 5. And so there's another combination of that. So that would mean... and of course the easiest one, the obvious one, is incorrect. It's going to be something ridiculous. Expected 0. Okay, well we can also look at this. So reset. So 1x plus 1y minus 1 plus 2. So it's really plus 1. So this means plus 1. So, wait a minute. Sink and rise. Let's write that out. So we got fall, leap, sink, rise, which translates to x, y, -1, and 2. Okay, so then we also have 3x plus y equals 5. Okay. Ooh, this is another thing I haven't done in a long time. Comparing two different functions. So, with two variables. So there is a way to get this. Fall, leap, sink, rise. I'm passing out tacos. I still have no idea what that's all about. Just a bot thing. Anyway, so fall, leap, sink, rise equals 0. So for that to be 0, we've got -1 plus 2, so +1. Basically all of that means then this equals 0. So trying to simplify it. So 3x, x could be 2 and y could be -1. Let's see. -1 and plus equals 2? Oh, wait a minute. So this would actually be +6 equals 1. So it could be -2 plus 1. No, because then this would be -2 plus 1 would be -1. Oh, okay. That's it. Hold on. Leap, sink, fall. -2 plus 1. Huh, that was tricky. That was a fun one. See, but there's the problem again. I want to be able to click it and, Anyways, share the code. Wait, do I want to see how other people did? Yeah, reset. So that was the most straightforward one. Reset and sync were the easiest. And then, yeah, they did the same thing. They just figured it out a lot faster. Let's see, 2 minutes. Yeah, I'd say a lot faster. The clash is almost over. All right. Ugh. Okay. There we go. I don't know if I want to keep being annoying with everyone. I mean, because it's just going to start right after I invite everyone. Well, if you're online and you're clashing, you're probably watching this stream, so. Not to sound conceited or anything, but that just makes the most sense. Because I don't pay attention to these chats as much as I should. Alright, let's see, so. Do I dare? No, because see, now we can just pop someone in. Where's everyone from? Sweden? US? Denmark? Oh, me. Gandalf? Nice. Saudi Arabia, awesome. I still need to go there. I've got a lot of friends that fly out from there all the time, and I never go out there. I've never been to Europe either, so I want to go to jolly old London. As long as it's jolly, it better be jolly. All right, so we got shortest mode. Oh man, we got other things going on. Sorry. Okay. Shortest. Your job is to decode a number from the given Morse code sequence. Okay, so it looks like a. Ugh. Okay, so I know at the very end, doing Java homework. Nice. Actually, eventually, that's what I want to get to this streaming thing to be. So, like, not necessarily give people answers for their homework and stuff, but, like, for college kids to be like, oh, I'm stuck on this, I have no idea, and make it like an open forum type thing. Like, that's my goal. But for now, we're doing some clashes. But, yeah, if you have any questions, let me know. I'm not a pro, but I've done the Javas. Let's see. So, alright, so I know automatically we're going to need while. What are we doing? Morse. No, we'll do refined equals that. So we're going to refine it and refine it. Equals 0. Refined equals refined slicing 1 on. There we go. And then print refined. Okay. So now we got to build refined out of this. We can either do an ugly switch statement or we can do a dictionary. In fact, one of my first Code Wars challenges, I did a massive switch statement. Or no, not even a switch statement. You can't do switch statements here. But let's see. MD for Morse dictionary. Print all this in. Now we're going to have to chop all this up. Comma. That's. Yeah, 1. Two. Ugh. No, I guess it is easier to just suck them in and then. Oh. I did this 10 times. I do want to start a new line though, because it's starting to get. Oh, and never mind about shortest. We're not going to be doing any golfing on this one. Well, maybe. We still got 11 minutes. If this functions, then I'll start chipping away at it. Or functions as expected. Okay. Oh. Okay, and oh, yep, that's it. All right, so we got a number. What's going on here? Why is this? Because we don't have a comma. Good. All right. So a string that contains a number encoded in Morse code. Yeah. So if we look at the, so we're gonna do Morse list equals Morse dot split. Oh jeez. Okay, now for item in Morse list. What happens if it's not in there? No, I guess we're gonna trust that it's gonna be in there. Plus equals Morse dictionary of item. Refined plus equals space, because I'm lazy. No, there is no space. Ah, thanks for the follow, Code with Ashen. So I don't need spaces. Oh, a raid. Ah, thank you for the raid. Welcome. Ah, thanks for the follow, Vitals. Actually, I'm going to try to start doing raids at the end of my streams, too. So we might actually be turning around and raiding some other people. But yeah, welcome. Let's see. So we're close to getting done. Hello. We're close with this one. So we're building a number, and then we gotta chop the padding of zeros on the left. So that's what this last part's doing. And I think we can just print. Well, let's just take that out. We might be there. It takes a while. Alright, cool. Now, shortest mode. Alright, so we'll go ahead and chop these blue lines. Ah, thanks for the follow, Andre. Let's see, those blue lines look cool. Oh, you're talking about the... Yeah, this is the best microphone I had. I was using just the headphone mics, or the earbud mics, and they weren't working so well. So, let's see. Change that to M. Take out the spaces. Take out all of this. Okay. Alright, now change refined to a much shorter variable name. Okay. Item can be I. Can take some spaces out of that. Alright, now, oh, we got spaces here. Every little bit counts. We got, yeah, 227. We'll just have it running off the page. Okay, and I don't think I can short up any... Oh, here we go. We can take these two spaces out. I think that's about it. You gotta be careful with the keywords. So, let's see. Alright, so we didn't break it. We got it down. It's about the best I'm gonna get. Let's go for it. 210. It's like half my code. Alright, let's see what that is. Oh, what? I did not even think about that. Let's see. Are the numbers correspondent to the count of the dashes? Let's see. No dots, 1 dot, 2 dot, 3 dot, 4 dot, 5 dot. Oh. Ooh. Wait, how did you do that? They did the count. Okay, so they're checking to see if the initial one is a dot or a dash. And based on that, then they do the counts. Okay, because that's pretty cool. Like, oh, whoops. We gotta go look at mine with the written out dictionary. So we've got no dots, and the first one's a dash. And then the first one's a dot, but then, so now we're counting dots if the first one's a dot, all the way up to here. But now that it's not a dot, now we're subtracting dots from 10, pretty much. Yeah? Or is that how they did it on the flip side? Plus 5. Oh, plus 5. So then they're adding 5 to the dashes, not taking... Okay, that's cool. Really complex, though. I mean, like, doing for loops in one line has always made me nervous. So that's why I'm not the best at golf, but... Alright. Another clash. Throw the link in, there you go. Oh, and I am working on some new emotes. I've only been affiliate for a day, so I've got the one emote for, you know, if you're watching, but there's more to come. I'm actually making my own. I might even make some of my famous logo. Something, I don't know. But I'm going to have some fun with it. Ugh, it's been even longer since I've done any graphics design. Let's see. Why are all these people calling me? Okay, shortest mode. You're in a 2D array world with R rows and R columns where you live in the origin coordinate, and you need to find the number of paths to the heaven cell. Okay. Hmm. Yeah, and this is actually what I'm working on right now. I'm adding some, because I did horribly on graph spec for my degree, graphs and travelers, algorithms, stuff like that. So basically, okay, so we got an input. That's how big it is. We need to find this is a valid path and this is a valid path. So we go over, then down, and then down, then over. Yeah, I'm about to actually just submit it too. I struggle. We could just struggle along for 15 minutes. No, I think a lot of people are just kind of, which is a shame because graphs are very, very big in the computer science world. Like, it's really cool, or it's a good idea to be able to work with them. No, but not today. I'll do some more practice and then but I'll throw in the towel on that one. Soon I'll practice more with it. But I don't think that was anyone in our group, was it? Oh wait, why should I code? That's stupid. Sorry. What I meant to do is click, let's play again. Let's do another clash. Okay. Yeah, get some Rick and Morty. That's what I think about every time I see Carpendium's name. Is that Rick and Morty episode? Just carping all them DMs, yo. Alright, fastest. It is now, and we must arrive at a time, but the duration of the travel is duration. Are we late? Okay, so we need to combine duration with now and see if it's less than or equal to arrival. Minutes needed to get there. Okay. So, hours equals times equals n dot split split on the colon. Hours equals time at position 0, minutes equals time at position 1. Okay, so if m plus d is greater than equal to 60, hours plus equals 1. Oh, wait a minute. We could have some insane, let's look at the test cases. Yeah, 320, so we're actually going to have to do divide and modulo. Okay, so we can't hard code that. Let's see, so scratch all that. Hours plus equals d double divided by 60, and minutes plus equals d modulo 60. There we go. So we got the remainder. Why are you freaking out? Oops. Is that not allowed? Let's see. Why are you stringing it? Okay, so need to cast these. Okay. So now we have that. So if hours if hours is greater than int of arrival slice 0 to 2 non-inclusive, if I think I'm doing that right, or something and, so hours is equal to a slice that and let's see, the minutes, and minutes is greater than, now we need to slice, oh, it's always going to be 2, so we could actually do arrival -2, run it. Actually, I don't even know, wait, what's, oh, int, need to cast it, that's right. Okay, and if this works the way I think it will, we'll print late, else, print, okay. We're doing fastest, alright. Pretty confident in that, not, okay. We got some. Alright, so 2 and 5. What's wrong with 2 and 5? We got, so 210 minutes, that's what, 3 hours? Okay, so 3 hours and 34 hours. So this one, let's see what we're getting. Print hours, print minutes. So somehow we're calculating that wrong for this one. 1462, and are we looking at, oh, gotcha. If minute greater than equal to 60, hours plus equals 1, and minutes modulo equals 60. Oh, and then, is that a thing? I don't know. Okay, so now, what's the situation here? We got 5. Oh, right. So now I need to put in a check. So we need to do the same thing with 24. So if hours is greater than or equal to 20, no, if it's just greater than 24, right? How does military time work? I forget, wait, let's see. I think 24, well, yeah, because this is, is that like 18 hours? No. 5 and trying to do simple math in my head. Right, so I think, yeah, 24 is the cap. It can't be 24. If it's greater than or equal to 24, then it becomes hours modulo equals 24. Let's try that. So now, oh, okay, that did work. All right, fastest. Let's see. We got it. We got it. Oh, a lot of spams. Okay, what's wrong with 4? We're just gonna stumble through all the. Okay, so what's going on here? We got 2 hours for sure. That's what, like 5 hours. Right. Oh, and then no. Let's see what we're printing out here. So we're saying it's okay at 3:57 and travel time is 3:30. So wait a minute. So the hour is equal to, that should trigger it because we got, if the hour is equal to it and the minutes are greater, then we're late. Oh, come on. Why is this? We're getting 3:57 on a 3, whatever it was like 3:30 something. So, yeah, 3:30. So our comparators, I think what's tripping it up is the 0. But that should... Oh. Cast this as int. Let's try that. Oh, we also gotta take these out again. There we go. Okay, fastest. Getting geared up to all do the... Alright. Nobody wants to share the code. Alright, how much time we've been going? Yeah, we got a couple more. I mean, do I need to be doing anything? I think these are all spam calls. Oh, let's get the, let's throw that in there. There we go. Alright, because I was wanting to do some web dev stuff too. Basically, while we're waiting for this to start, I want to add this color palette to my tutorial because I have these really ugly colors. I mean, they were even worse before. This is my basic color. These are the blah ones. Not too much thought, and they still kind of hurt the eyes. Then you got these. I really want to make a matrixy like green and black something, so I'll try to fix that, but it just looks like it's in the void. So, I don't know, anyways. But I could always do that later and use a different title because I feel like that's kind of messed up using the CodinGame thing, using their services when you're not doing CodinGame stuff. So I don't know. All right, so we are reversing capitals and reversing lowers and reversing digits. No. Are we flipping them 2 at a time? I think that's it. We're flipping 2 at a time. Okay, so return string equals that. What we're gonna do, let's do an index equals 0, while I less than length t. T minus 1 rs plus equals t at I plus 1 plus t at I. Return string. Does that work? Infinite loop, that's why. Sorry. I'm trying to crash the CodinGame servers. Okay. Oh, then also I think I need to do -2, right? If length t is less than equal to 2, print t step -1. So just oh whoa 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 whoa. Print t step -1. There we go. Hey, what's up, Mike Stratton? Welcome to the stream. Let's see. So that'll reverse it, else we'll print it that way. There we go. All right. So I'm thinking. No. Huh. Now, how am I going to deal with... So we're just missing... Oh, so if it's an odd number of letters, because we're flipping them 2 at a time, readability counts. Now, how would I put in a check for that? It's like if the length of it is odd. Okay. Elif length. We're just doing reverse, so we don't have to worry about length t modulo 2 is not equal to 0. Let's do print rs plus. Yeah, that should work. Yeah. We need to put this in the right spot. Okay. Let's try that. Alright, so if it's an odd size word, we just add the last letter. Otherwise, we flip them 2 at a time. Sweet. Yeah? How long did I take? Come on. 5 minutes. Okay. 1 minute. Nice. Step by 2. Okay. Yeah, I guess I'm not as comfortable doing for loops when I'm trying to move through and like manipulate by indices. I usually use fors for iterating all items, but nice. Same, going with the for. Alright. And that's a bot. Pretty sure. I haven't checked. So I was like, oh, Ron Burgundy, nice. Okay. Let's go again. Are you about to do some streaming yourself, Mike? Because actually, I'm trying to practice raiding. So if you want to get your first raid or a raid, I don't know. You just started out, didn't you? I was creeping on you when I was watching you last time. I mean, if not, like raids are always fun. Get all hypey. But I want to get into it. I made affiliate yesterday, so I gotta start doing stuff like that. Or be a lazy streamer. Nah. Alright, what are we doing? Shortest? Alright, so Lily was crossing a thick forest when she realized that there is a tiger ahead of her who has seen Lily. Lily quickly takes out a matchbox from her bag and burns a matchstick because the tiger is afraid of fire. The matchstick takes 5 seconds to burn completely. Given that the length of the forest that Lily needs to cross is length, and then we have seconds. And Lily, or no, it's speed. Centimeters per second. Okay, so print the minimum number of matchsticks Lily needs to burn to cross the forest safely. Alright, so already we got centi, so, and meters. So hundredths of a meter, kettle of metrics, um, per second. So we got 5 seconds a match. How many seconds do we need to make it to how many meters? So, um, sorry, getting a little confused, twisted. Let's see. For the minimum number of matchsticks, matches equals 0. Distance equals 0. While distance is less than length, matchsticks plus equals 1. So if we burn one matchstick, that's 5 seconds, and each second is s. Wait, no. I'll change that to v for velocity, because that's tripping me up with seconds. Okay, so the velocity is centimeters per second. So we need to shrink the length down. So we need to shrink the length down. Or no, increase the distance. Distance plus equals, how much does a matchstick buy us? 5 seconds at, so it'd be 5 times v divided by 100? Print m. I think, let's see. Did we do it? No. Of course not. But it looks like we're just missing like an equal sign or something, because we got expected 2008 found. Alright. 3200 was correct. Let's see. So it takes 20 matchsticks to go. Right, because there's that 100. So we divide by 100, then 1, then times it by 5, and then divide that. Oh. Hold on a second. Print L divided by V times. Wait a minute. How did that make sense to me? Let's see. So we've got the length of the forest we have to travel. And whatever the second input is, you divide it by 100 and then you multiply it by the matches. Divide by 100, multiply by... No, divide by 100, multiply by 5. Need to do another parentheses there. Divided by 100. Okay. Now if I did that right, no. Although that still works for that one. Okay. Huh. Well, that's good for shortest. Let's see. So what am I doing wrong? Let's see, look at test 2. So we divide that by 100, so that's really 1.5 meters. And times it by 5. 5 plus 2.5, so that's 7.5. Oh, so we need to do the ceiling, right? Yeah, because a matchstick. I think we need to throw the ceiling function in there somewhere, because if you're burning a matchstick, let's see, for the least amount of matchsticks, why is it off by so many though? I've got 500, I've got like almost 50 matchbox, or matchsticks. I've been calling them the wrong thing this whole time. It's not a whole box. So a matchstick. We got like 50 more on that one. And then this one, what's this one at? Oh, was that test 5? 2008. This one we've got 4 matchsticks off. Jeez. Yeah, I might have to go here soon. Let's see. I gotta take a look at some of what all this is going on. Alright, and also, let's see. Oh, was that 5? Oh no. 2008. Let's see. Okay, hmm. So 67. So if we divide that by 100, we get 1.5. Multiply it by 5, we get 7 point. That is right, like 5 plus 2.5. So, right, because all these other ones are even, except for that. Although test 5 is one of the ones we're doing. So instead of double divide, maybe we should just do single and single. Then we're going to have to either do the ceiling or the floor. Math, ceiling. All of it. What's wrong with this? Did I had before E. Alright. Does I get it? Okay, now we've got it accurate. Alright. Let's get rid of all this other stuff. So we just got it down to this one line. And now we don't even need any of this, really. We do need math. Don't think we need that. Let's see. Did I break? No? Good. Alright, so let's take out the spaces. Well, let's call it a challenge. $73. That's not bad. Alright. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, I might take a break for an hour or two. I might pop back on later. Let me see. Hello, what's up, Ella Galore? Yeah, well, they didn't leave messages. I don't know. See, should I keep clashing or should I do some web dev? Or actually, wait, no, I only got a couple hours of business time. Maybe I should take a break real quick. I don't know. I'll probably do like this one and then, throw in the coding game and do web dev and clashes. I don't know. Again, I just feel guilty using this thing, when I'm not doing coding game type stuff. I got someone else streaming too. Be right back. Well, yeah, I'm gonna take a break, but I want to practice raiding. Is everyone ready for a raid? Let's raid erratics. Let me see. I've never done this before. Nice. All right, so it gives a countdown. Here we go. All right, we're raiding everybody. Is everyone ready? Here we go. Are we raiding? Did I do that wrong? I think I did that wrong.
Um, guess this is how we check equality. I think this should work. 5-4. What? Hello? Wait. But... Oh! It prints twice. I need to exit. Let's just exit up. It's like this. I didn't even read the part that there is a not available otherwise. But thankfully, I already exit on error, so this is just an extra print statement. Okay, that seems to work. need to golf a bit, I can put this in here. I can put this in there. All right. Is there anything else for me to do here? This already feels fairly complete. Yeah, I'm not sure there's much else to golf here. Yeah, I should have actually read this part, but this also states the smaller number first. I was just kind of guessing that. But it works out. Got an 86 in Ruby. Oh, that's shorter than what I have, but I don't think there's anything I can do about it. I don't think I can beat Ruby here.